Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/affordable product market 7075. Top 10 best lines for spinning reels with buying guides and reviews. Selecting the best line for spinning reels are necessary for effortless fishing expeditions. Spinning reels where catching big fish and having a memorable fishing experience come together. Explore 10 exceptional spinning reels that are well known for their fine craftsmanship and features set and cater to different type of anglers. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com slash slash at the rate affordable product market 7075. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Berkeley Fluoroshield Fluorocarbon Fishing Line Clear features super underwater invisibility, increased resistance to abrasions, outstanding sensitivity in identifying bites, designed with minimal stretch for better hooks setup, strong but flexible construction, adaptable to different fishing conditions, seamless casting operation, little memory to cut down on tangling, enduring toughness. Number 2. Berkeley Triline XL Monofilament Fishing Line features a reliable and well-liked choice for fishermen worldwide. The adaptable line, which has a reputation for dependability and effectiveness, made to be excellent in various fishing situations and methods, provide fishermen with the sensitivity or affordability and durability they need. Number 3. Power Pro Spectra Fiber Braided Fishing Line features round, smooth, and sensitive braided fishing line, enhanced body technologies, boost handling performance, constructed with Spectra fiber for incredible abrasion resistance, is easy spool on select models, lets you spool your reel directly from the box and feature a built-in line cutter, high strength to diameter ratio, high visibility yellow. Number 4. Berkeley Vanish Fluorocarbon Fishing Line Leader Material features boasting the perfect combination of strength and smooth operation. This versatile clear fishing line offer enhanced handling and remarkable easy casting. Target the various fish with the fishing line that is practically invisible underwater. The heavy-duty fishing line is non-absorbing and maintain its durability and abrasion resistance even when submerged. Number 5. Brackley Fine Line Fused Original features superior strength for publishing a large fish, incredible, responsive to even the most minor impact. Costing distance and line capacity are increased by thin diameter, outstanding resistance to abrasion for longevity. The zero structure design guarantees immediate hook setup, adaptable to a range of fishing condition and method. Number 6. Zipco Outcast Monofilament Fishing Line Low memory and stretch, high tensile strength. Features low stretch in increased sensitivity, excellent tensile strength to go after large fish, superior resistance to abrasion, guarantee longevity, adaptable to a range of fishing conditions and methods. For increased accuracy, use smooth casting, transparent color, reduced underwater vision color, durable functionality for dependable fishing experience. Number 7, Berkeley Trolline Big Game Monofilament Fishing Line. Features: don't let fish off the hook. This heavy duty fishing line was designed to deliver incredible durability, reliability, and reliability and value. Extreme fighting power. This mono fishing line utilizes a custom blended formula that provides unmatched toughness for added confidence and control in absolutely any fish situation. Number 8, Zipco Outcast Monofilament Fishing Line. Low memory and stretch, high tensile strength. Features: fabricated for all type of fishing situation with low memory and stretch while providing high tensile strength. Zipco Outcast fishing line is low memory to prevent it from coiling and is designed to be resistant to twist and kink. This line is also super sensitive, so you can feel it your bright hits the bottom or when a fish take a bite. Number 9, Spider wire self stellate braid fishing line. Features: superior resistance to abrasion guarantees longevity. The low stretch design guarantee immediately hook setup, adaptable to a range of fishing conditions and methods. For increased accuracy, use smooth casting, durable functionalities for dependable fishing experience. Number 10, Zipco Outcast Monofilament Fishing Line. Low memory and stretch, high tensile strength. Features: less memory means fewer twists and knots. Low stretch increase sensitivity. Excellent tensile strength to go after long fish. Superior resistance to abrasion guarantees longevity. Adaptable to a range of fishing conditions and methods. For increased accuracy, use smooth casting, transparent color reduce underwater whizzing colors. Now I share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose the good one according to your need and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.affordableproductsmarket.com/94spinningreel/. Join us on our other social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.